discover the authentic rural charm of Sri Lankan village life, the art of earthen living with the harmonious rhythm of nature. For our drive from Colombo to Sigiriya village was breathtaking. Views of lush paddy fields and evergreen forests along the roadside make the travelers less tired. A simple and peaceful life is a world away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Experience the simplicity of village life as you journey across the village in a Bullock car. The Bullock cart was used for transportation of goods in the villages. Still, in some rural parts of Sri Lanka, people use Bullock cart to fulfill their need of transportation due to the lack of modern transportation facilities and good road systems. A ride on a Bullock cart along the dusty narrow path and through the paddy fields to the picturesque lake will leave you with a sense of peacefulness. A catamaran ride on the lake, with its large variety of dry zone bird life, and views of the surrounding forest and marshland will be a memorable experience for the visitors. Soak up the abundant bird life and bountiful natural beauty as you move along the lake water. The boat ride through the lotus-filled lake, with the magnificent view of the famous Sigiriya rock fortress standing majestically on the background, is an eye-catching sight. The lakes in the village had a prominent place in the lives of the village folks as their life is based on agriculture. In the ancient time, the rulers initiated the building of Lankan in the vicinity of the village, and a dakava was built near the lake. The village folks are depicted through their cultural and spiritual link with the society, the lake, dakava, and the temple. Apart from the catamaran ride, you can take a ride on a tractor, or hop on a tuk-tuk to a local home where you can interact with the family, witnessing and even assisting the woman in preparation of a typical Sri Lankan lunch using the traditional method of cooking. The clay house is a traditional village house built using natural clay and thatched roof is ideally suited to the hot climate in the tropical island. The roof covering was usually woven coconut palms, palmyra, straw, and grass like illic or mana. A chatti is a type of pot used for cooking curries, traditionally, but cooking was done on a fire or stove. The miriscala is a grinding stone, used to grind ingredients like chili and other spices. The coconut scraper grates the flesh of the coconut into small flakes. The gurladua is the earthenware water vessel that was traditionally used in Sri Lankan houses. Sri Lankans have the practice of having their meals with several curries along with rice. They prefer spicy and salty tastes in their meal. Most of the curries added coconut milk to make the creamy taste. The balanced meal includes fish, vegetables, cereals, and fruits. Coconut shell spoons are used to mix and serve the curry. Showing how to peel a coconut in a traditional way. The Singhagiri is a tool used to grind millet, better known as korakin in Sinhala. The wooden mortar and pestle are used to crush the paddy, to take rice. The winnowing is a process by which chaff is separated from paddy to to make rice using a winnowing fan. The villagers make their livelihood by selling the fruits and vegetables. Beautifully display fruits and vegetable stalls alongside them. The road is a common sight when you travel to this part of the country. Travelers stop by these stalls on the way home to buy fresh vegetables and fruits. It is great help for these people as they are struggling hard to making ends meet. Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.